Welcome to this presentation on how to obtain a skilled worker license quickly, presented by Westgate Associates, your business immigration specialist. This presentation is relevant for any size UK business that wishes to employ migrant workers. So let's begin. The skilled worker license allows a UK business to sponsor migrant staff inside or outside the UK. Any type of business structure can apply, including limited companies or self-employed persons. It also doesn't matter what the business does, as long as the job that's being sponsored is of the required skill level. Our lawyers can help assess what jobs in your organization can be sponsored. It also doesn't matter how long your business has been trading for. In fact, many of our clients are startup businesses. There's no minimum turnover or profit required to apply for a license, and the business doesn't need to have any staff already. In regards to personnel, when applying for a license, a business has to have at least one person that would be able to act as a point of contact at the Home Office. This should be someone in a senior position, usually a director or an employee, but they must be British or settled in most cases, although some exemptions can be seen below. The core documents required for an application will depend on the type of business, but in most cases they tend to be a recent business bank statement, PAYE registration, employees liability insurance, and one further document such as an office space, VAT registration, or other suitable document. We will help you assess what documents you require and advise you further. Strong applications will also require supplementary documents. Some examples are shown on the screen. We'll help you with many of these documents and ensure you have the strongest possible case. All the documents are required at the point of application. If you don't have some or all of the documents, Westgate will help you obtain them. We work with accountants and other professionals to get you to the best place of making your application. One key factor that's often overlooked is that prospective employers should be ready to demonstrate their sponsor duties and compliance. In short, this means that you know what's required of you as a responsible employer, and you have the processes in place to record, store, and monitor staff changes. Our lawyers will assess your current processes and make recommendations on practical changes, even if you currently have nothing in place. Moving on to the timelines, the basic process can be shown on the screen, for which we will support you at every step. Most applications are decided within 4 to 6 weeks. However, we can assist you in securing prior to service, which will significantly decrease the processing time. Once your license is granted, our lawyers will help you assign a member of staff for sponsorship via a certificate of sponsorship. The process and timelines vary slightly depending on if the migrant is inside or outside the UK. We can also help them with their visa application to give your business maximum certainty so you know exactly when they can start. The overall timelines, including the visa process for the migrant, can be seen on screen. With our assistance, you can have your migrant working for you within 4 weeks. So let's have a look at the cost for the license. You can apply as a small company if two of the following apply. You have 50 or fewer employees, your annual turnover is of 10.2 million or less, or the total assets of your company is 5.1 million or less. Once the license is granted and you want to sponsor an individual, you need to apply and obtain a certificate of sponsorship. The fees on screen will be payable each time a new employee is hired. The immigration skill surcharge is a levy based on the number of years you're sponsoring an employee. This can range from 1 to 5 years in most cases. You just multiply the number by the number of years you want to sponsor them. In regards to the migrant's visa, these are the fees at the time of recording, but they may have changed by the time you're watching this video, so please check with us. The fees also are the same for any dependents that are applying at the same time as them. Please note that not all the fees have to be paid by the company. As such, the visa fee and the health surcharge from the previous slide can be paid for by the migrant. That way, you can save some cost when applying. In regards to our legal fees, we work with a fixed fee model, so there's no surprises and you know exactly how much it will cost you after speaking to us. The fee depends on the complexity of your case, but we're so confident that your license will be granted that we'll give you a no-win, no-fee guarantee. Our payments are broken down into installments, 50% to start, and the balance once we submit the application. Our service is very comprehensive. We aim to provide our clients with value, assurance, and expertise. We understand the importance of a workforce to a business, so we treat every client with the highest level of priority. We aim to ensure you have the smoothest and quickest process possible so you can do what you do best, run your business. A selection of what our service includes can be seen on the screen. However, we also offer comprehensive levels of aftercare to help you maintain and grow your license with your business. So why wait any longer? Contact us today for a free assessment call with our business immigration team. They will let you know if you qualify and give you a no win, no fee quote. We can then book you in for a free online meeting with the lawyer handling your case. You can ask any questions that you have, and we can help you understand the process in more detail. Within 24 hours of the meeting, the lawyer will send you a client care letter with the advice and invoice. And once you're ready to start, you can make the initial payment and we can start working immediately. So don't wait any longer. Contact Weskin Associates today and take the first step to becoming a skilled worker visa sponsor.